Now, welcome back. We are all looking to protect our identity online, especially after seeing the CrowdStrike outage yesterday. According to identitytheft.org, the FTC has received close to 6 million fraud and identity theft reports for this year alone, and the median loss is about $500 per fraudulent case. So what steps will help you protect yourself? CPA Kimberly Washington is live with us right now to help you get the facts tonight. Kim, what comes to you as your credit reports? What are some ways that you can protect yourself?
Right. So, of course, with everything that happened this weekend, many people are thinking, what ways can they protect themselves? And the first thing, of course, is when it comes to your credit report, you want to make sure that you put a credit freeze on your report. And so this way, anyone cannot access your credit file. Another thing you want to do, keep in mind, is that you can reach out to the 3 major reporting agencies, such as Experian, TransUnion, and also Equifax. And keep in mind, everything is done in real time, so you can freeze it and unfreeze it all at the same time.
Awesome. And so we know that many people often find out they're a victim of identity theft when they file their tax return.
Yes.
So what can people do ahead of time?
Right. So this is a real big one. So I've seen it so many times. So someone may go in to file their tax return, but unfortunately someone else has filed in their behalf. So one of the things you can do is request a PIN. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-908-4490 and just request this PIN. And this is a great way to protect your tax data online as well.
Okay, and along with requesting and freezing and placing a PIN on your IRS account, what are some other steps that you can take to protect your identity?
Right. So one of the biggest things, of course, when it comes to protecting your identity, you want to think about real-time measures that you can take. And one way you can do that is creating a third-party app. And so keep that app, create different alerts. And if someone is trying to use your credit, that way you can get an alert right to your phone and you can stop it, of course, before something happens.
And lastly, Kim, if someone is a victim of identity theft, what are the next steps that they should take?
Right. The first thing you want to do is file a police report. That's the first step that you're going to take. And the second thing, you want to head over online to ftc.gov and you can create a report there. But again, you want to take these different measures, especially with everything that just happened and took place this week, to make sure that you're protecting your credit and also your tax data online.
All right, Kim, thank you so much for those tips. Hopefully everybody out there got all the tips that you need, because there are a lot of tips out there for identity theft and to make sure you stay protected.